How to use the Grabovoi numbers with water. Hello my powerful creators, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Candice if you're new here. On this channel we talk about manifestation, the law of assumption, and personal development. And if you want to become a powerful creator, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. So we're in a different spot today, obviously, and I realized that, you know, a lot of you are interested in the Grabovoi numbers, so I'm really happy about that. So I wanted to give you another option on how to use these Grabovoi numbers. Now, if you haven't watched my previous video on how to manifest with Grabovoi numbers, you should definitely go watch that video. I have the link to that in my description. So go watch that, learn from there. But today we're going to be doing the 2-cup method with the Grabovoi numbers. And I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it. So what you'll need for this technique is 2 glasses. I like to use Post-its, but you can use piece of paper. I also wrote down my Grabovoi numbers that I want to use. And then you'll need, of course, water. So for the first example, we're going to manifest love, a romantic relationship. So what I will do here is I will take my Post-its, and again, you can have a piece of paper, that's totally fine. And I'm going to just have 2 Post-its ready for me. Okay, and so the first Post-it, I'm gonna write no love, single, and that's about it, you know. I'm gonna write that, and I'm gonna put that on this cup here. And then for this cup, I'm going to write a romantic, loving relationship. Loving relationship. And then I'm going to write down my Grabovoi number that is for romantic, loving relationship. So I have this number that I've been using consistently and I really like it, and it's called Attract True Love. So I'm going to write that number down. Feel free to write down multiple numbers if you desire that. But the main point is to keep it in the same category. So keep the love together, keep the career together, keep the health together, those numbers together. So I'm going to just write this one number, and the number that I'm using is 516-750-46. So I'm just going to place that over the second cup. So you see that, 2 different cups here. And so now I'm going to pour water into the no love single life. That's what I'm experiencing now. So as I poured that, I visualize, you know, where I'm going in my life right now. And what you'll do, you'll visualize being single, you'll visualize, you know, being alone, things like that. There's nothing wrong with this. There's nothing wrong with being single. We're just using this as an example. So I'm now gonna visualize myself in a romantic relationship. Feel free to do this with your specific person. You're visualizing and imagining a beautiful relationship that's secure. You guys are loyal to each other, healthy relationship. You know, all the things that you desire in a real loving romantic relationship. So as I do that, I'm going to pour this into this cup, because I'm putting my whole understanding and love and appreciation and where I am right now, where I'm ready. I'm putting, that's all in this cup. The no love and no romantic love I meant, but being single, I know that I'm ready. I know that I'm ready for love, so I'm putting it all in here. And now this cup represents that I am now in a beautiful, loving relationship. And so as I have my Grabovoi numbers here as well, I'm going to just visualize my Grabovoi numbers, a beautiful relationship, And as I do that, I'm sipping the water as well, and I am intaking the beautiful relationship. I'm intaking the Grabovoi numbers. Now, you don't need to chug it all down at one time, but every time you take a sip, believe that you are in that beautiful relationship. You're with your specific person. You are in this romantic, committed, loving relationship. And as you are drinking the water, visualize the Grabovoi numbers. Say them out loud even. You know, I can go 516-75046. 516-75046. And just know every sip is putting you in that realm, in your manifestation. Every sip is taking you to that next level of being in a committed, loving relationship. Okay, so maybe it's midday and you're like, okay, I need another glass of water. So I'm gonna do another number. I feel really good about my relationship number. And feel free to throw this away. Throw that no love single, you're no longer that. You are the person you desire to be. Put this on your mirror. Make sure you have it somewhere where you can see it consistently and that you can start memorizing the numbers, the Grabovoi numbers. So I'm just gonna place mine over here because I'm gonna put that in my mirror later today. So let's do another color. So I have my pink here. Again, I'm gonna take 2 Post-its. So what I really want is more YouTube exposure. I want to be able to reach more powerful creators. I want to be able to be a light and an example for anyone who's in the manifestation journey or personal development journey. So that's what I'm gonna manifest right now. Okay, so I'm gonna manifest right now that I have YouTube fame. And what I mean by fame, I have exposure. My videos get a lot of views. I'm reaching a lot more people. That's what I desire. And I drank down my water off camera, so if you're like, where's her water? Anyways, so I'm gonna write here on this page, you know, I have 8,000 subscribers currently. Thank you, powerful creators. And I'm gonna write, I have 23,000 TikTok followers, which is so cool. And Instagram, I have 149K. Well, maybe 148, I can't remember. Instagram. And so on this one, I'm gonna put, on the one that I desire, I'm gonna put YouTube famous. I'm gonna say 1 million subs and 1 million TikTok followers and 1 million Instagram followers. That's gonna be so cool. I'm already declaring it's gonna be so cool to have 1 million people learning about manifestation and learning about daily affirmations. And you powerful creators are gonna get me there for sure. I believe it because you all inspire me so much. So I know you're inspiring your friends and your family members, and I'm just like blown away. Anyways, so we have where I am today and I have where I want to be. So again, I'm gonna pour the water of where I am today. And so I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit and I'm gonna think about where I am today. I'm very grateful for where I am today. I'm very pleased. I'm proud of myself. I am just so amazed by my powerful creators. I'm just so blessed to have so many kind subscribers and kind followers who really enjoy my videos, who really are just the most supportive people ever. And I'm visualizing that, and I'm grateful. And now I'm going to pour into where I want to be. And now I'm this new person. I'm this new person who has 1 million subscribers, 1 million Instagram followers, 1 million TikTok followers. And now I'm going to also write down the Grabovoi number of 69719024. 69719024. So, and don't feel the need to be perfect about this. What the true purpose of this is really visualizing and feeling the feelings of already having what you desire. When you swallow water, you really are aware of, swallowing water. So you're aware of that feeling. So every time you take a sip of water, you are aware of that feeling. So you attach that feeling to where you want to be in life. And I want to have 1 million powerful creators. So I'm visualizing that, and I'm also thinking of my number 69719024. 69719024. 69719024. And just really be gentle with yourself. Visualize it, embrace it. You are a powerful creator. You can create anything you desire in this life. Use the Grabovoi numbers to do that. Visualize it. You could even put an affirmation here. I now have 1 million followers, or I am now in a beautiful relationship. I am now so healthy. I am now so happy and grateful that I am healthy. That would be powerful as well. Use this tool to manifest your dreams and your desires and goals. And let me know if you have any questions. Again, you can look on my website for the direct link to get your own Grabovoi numbers for your specific situation. But again, I am so more than willing to help you to find your specific number for your specific situation. If you're not able to find it on the website, I will help you. Powerful creators, thank you so much for watching today's video. I know you will use this technique to bring in your desires and use them for your benefit and for the good of all. So I'm so proud of you. You're doing amazing. And I'm so thankful you're a part of this channel. It really, really means a lot to me. And the powerful creator of this video is Alex_. Alex, thank you so much for being a part of the Powerful Creators community. I truly appreciate your love and support. It means a lot. If you would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button, and comment the secret word below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations. And if you like this video, you like my next video on how to use the Grabovoi numbers to manifest, go check that video out. I love you so much, powerful creators, and I will talk to you in my next video. Have a beautiful day. Say it's okay, it's midday, I need another glass of wine. Oh my god. Okay, I did not mean to say that.